Hello, in this short video I want to look at what was included in the 1.1.2 release of Cake.Recipe. So if we look at the release notes, what we can see was included was a bug fix for messages being sent twice to Gitter when using integration tests. So this was something that was noticed by Pascal, who's a user of Cake.Recipe. So what was happening was that if you enable integration tests within Cake.Recipe. So Cake.Recipe has this concept of first running a build, and then if you specify one, it will also run a suite of integration tests that you created within the Cake scripts. Now what was happening was that when that was enabled, there would be two success messages sent out to Gitter when the build finished successfully and things were released. When the integration test ran as part of that release, it would then send another message with the exact same content saying that things were addressed over there as well. So this is something that has been addressed now. You will not see a duplicate message being sent over to Gitter when you've got integration tests enabled. So that's it. That was all that was included in this release. If you do see any issues with Cake.Recipe in general, feel free to reach out on the Gitter handle there, on the Twitter handle there, Get13, or raise an issue on the Cake.Recipe repository, and we can attempt to get that addressed. Thank you very much.